Want to see something really cool? Check out this fender flare off a Jeep. This is before and after Eastwood plastic resurfacer. And the best part, this isn't some bad wipe-on coating that sits on the surface or paint that's going to crack. This product actually gets deep into the plastic to reflow and resurface that factory finish while also embedding black resins into the substrate, which means it's going to maintain that original texture. So this isn't a temporary fix, this is permanent. Apply it once and you're done. It doesn't crack or scratch like a cheap coating. We sprayed some other brands on our fender flares and they either looked bad or they didn't last or both. Now let's spray the Eastwood Resurfacer on the other fenders and show you how good it looks and how much better the Jeep looks. As you can see, this stuff is awesome, and it's permanent. Not like those cheap wipe-on coatings you're going to find at an auto parts store. Just remember to tape off or remove parts when you spray it so you don't get the resurfacer on other areas. If you have plastic you want to renew, like fender flares, bumper guards, or even a bed liner, click the link to visit Eastwood.com. Get your plastic resurfacer today.